They look, that is like I think 45 minutes or whatever. Oh, cinnamon. If you are a sweet tooth like I am, this is the video for you because you're gonna like the recipe today. Hi, my name is Joyce, Joyo Chronicles of Joyce, and welcome to this channel today as I make for the first time ever in my life cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna try cinnamon rolls for the first time. I am crossing my fingers that they turn so well, so come and hang along with me as we do this. Please, if it is your first time coming across this gorgeous black beauty girl, welcome over here. We do content around cooking, contents that are educational, reviews, motivational, all that. If you're that person, please consider to subscribing. And for my returnees, my day one, you guys have helped me grow up to this far. Thank you so much for always coming back to consume my content. I don't take it for granted. I am always indebted of you. So welcome to today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment, share, and as always, subscribe. Let's cook cinnamon rolls. You're up for a treat. So for my ingredients, I will list them in the description box below, but I have 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, spoon instant yeast, this is 11 grams, it's equivalent, and 1 cup of sugar. I have sugar over here. All-purpose flour, 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt. I've got my salt here, and butter or margarine. So I've got my margarine, and I added this yogurt. It's not in the recipe, but yes. And now for the cinnamon spread, I have cinnamon over here, brown sugar. I'm gonna use this sugar, and butter or margarine. So that's all for my ingredients today. So let's do this. So for starters, I'm going to activate my yeast with my milk. That's one. As I said, this is usually 2 tablespoons, so you can see it's over that too. And I'm gonna mix it. Just like that, and we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes to activate the yeast. So this is, I think, 10 minutes later. You can see there's some foam on top of the milk and yeast, so I'm going to pour it there, and I'm going to add in my yogurt. It's a vanilla, natural yogurt, not vanilla, sorry. And then I'm going to add in an egg, whisk that, then I'm gonna add in salt, just a teaspoon of salt, And then I'm gonna add in my flour. That is ungani ajab. So as I add in my flour, I'm going to be mixing. I'm gonna make a soft dough. So hapa I'm supposed to add in blue band or butter. Like that. And make sure that it is incorporated inside this dough. So we may have I've had to put it down so that I can work on it. I'm kneading this for like 10 minutes. So like that, you guys, it's soft. I'm going to put it back here and oil it. Oil back my tin. And oil the dough. And then we're gonna cover and leave it to rise for 30 minutes. I'll leave it in a warm place as it rises, and then we shall come back and do the coating. So as I continue to wait for my dough to rise, I may be doing this mixture. Then sugar. Ooh. This is where the sweetness happens. The cinnamon, brown cinnamon. 2 teaspoons. So I'm going to combine this until it becomes fully combined. So here we go. And this is 30 minutes later. That is how our dough looks like. So I'm going to punch in to remove the air. And I'm going to put it here. Roll it one more time. So I'm going to roll it. I don't know what to call this, whether it's a rectangle or a square, but now we're gonna spread this. I'm using this on a spatula, and then I'm going to roll like that. Like that. So that's how it looks. And natumia uzi painting. Like that. And I'm going to use a string to cut. You can use a knife, but using a string. See that? Lay them on the baking tray. So I'm going to cover again for 10 minutes as I preheat my oven at 180 degrees. So into the oven for 30 minutes. That is the condition of the oven. They are so big.
A few moments later.
So this is how they look. That is like, I think, 45 minutes or whatever. They have overcooked. But our oven was not ovening. So let's test. Test. Hii kuja tu test. Kuja haraka, kuja kabla time. So tuko hapa na Fei tuna test hii. Oh, ka cinnamon. Kuna kakijana hapa. Shika. Atachomoa. It slaps. So you know, feel like tamu. Kwanza ya cinnamon kwa mdomo. Like, it's melting. Cinnamon rolls. Ndio hizo.